Today's video is our Easter egg hunt video. It's bittersweet without Buster. It's our first Easter video without Buster. And here I am taking pictures of Remi in the Easter basket. Hope you guys enjoy. So cute. Good girl. Okay, let's find the other egg. Okay, go. What's this? Here you go. She don't want to. Yeah, get it. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Get it open, honey. Good girl. You missed it. It's right here. Look. Here. Get ready to find the egg, young lady. Yeah. Good girl. Oh. You missed it. Oh. Yeah, what is it? Yeah. There we go. Get the cheese. Good girl. Oh. You want help? Here. Oh, yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Get the cheese. Here you go. That one's open for you. This is tuna. There we go. Get the tuna, honey. What's in there? There's cheese in there, honey. She is so cute just sitting there. Angel, Remi, and Egypt are not good at opening the eggs as much as Buster was. It's Angel's turn. So cute. Get it, Angel. There's the egg. He's so cute. He's really good at getting the egg. Good boy. So adorable. What? You found it already. Good boy. There we go. Yay! Try to get a picture of Angel with the Easter basket is really hard. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Easter egg hunt. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a great day. Hug and love your pets and don't stop believing in yourself. Embrace what today has to offer and every day. Later. Happy Easter.